All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at the beautiful J. Patrick Homes. This one is in Artavia here in Conroe, Texas. Now, keep in mind, folks, I showcased the model homes just because it's absolutely beautiful. But if it's something where you want to build in a different location, the exact same model, we can definitely discuss your options. I always say reach out to the information below. We'll definitely get you taken care of. But as soon as you walk in, you do have this beautiful black exterior, not to mention with the painted white brick. You have this covered front porch. It's a large covered front porch, and I absolutely love that you have the brick on the bottom as well. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is immediately as soon as you walk in, this is going to be your foyer. So I love the fact that you can see the great room from the foyer over there, not to mention your study, but we'll take a right here so that way you can see the first bedroom. So inside of here, just to give you a reference, you have a queen size bed with 2 nightstands right there. You have carpet inside of here. And a lot of times some folks want to purchase a property, but they don't want the carpet inside of here. So if that is the case, reach out so we can get you taken care of and find out what the best option is for you. Right here, you have your full size bathroom that is attached right here. You have granite countertops inside of here. You have a vinyl flooring, not to mention right here, you have a full-size walk-in shower. Just look at that beautiful shower surround. I really love that color. I think it looks neat. And you do have a full-size closet. So inside of here, you have your built-in shelving. You got the higher ceilings inside of here. So you definitely have a decent amount of space. I mean, a lot of folks would use this as maybe just a guest room or what have you. So this is perfect for them. I would definitely add a mirror frame and a nice, beautiful lighting fixture right here, but to each his own, right? So we'll continue along, and you even have a decent amount of space for a dresser. So continuing along, this is going to be your little study area. You have your built-in shelving. I love that you have these double doors right here going inside of here. And keep in mind, folks, this is the Agave plan, but they do have a lot of other plans. So if it's something where you need a full-size study, we can definitely get you taken care of. So right here is going to be your powder bath. I love the fact that you have that little window right there, bringing in a little bit of natural light. And not to mention, you have a full-size closet right here. So you could easily use that as a, maybe, you know, a coat closet or what have you. And then you have, of course, the coat closet right here as well. So if you wanted to use that as maybe extra storage or have a secondary coat closet, you can definitely add that rack in there. But this is going to be your large size game room. So you have your 20-foot ceilings, floor to ceiling fireplace right here. It's an electric fireplace, oversized, absolutely massive. You have those clear story windows on top, letting in natural light again. And this is going to be connected to your kitchen. So inside of here, look how beautiful this kitchen is, even extending to your breakfast nook over there. You have the stack cabinets on top. I really love the stack cabinets. A lot of times with these builders, it is an upgrade, but I think it definitely would be worth the money just because of the appearance that it allows for the kitchen to look. So you have your wooden range hood right here. You have your oversized 10.5-foot island. Absolutely beautiful. You have your 5-burner stovetop as well. You have a decent sized pantry, not a walk-in pantry, but it definitely gets the job done. And I love that you have the sliders inside of the game room as well. Stainless steel appliances, fantastic. Now, even just going into your breakfast nook, if you notice, the stack cabinets actually extends inside of here. Plus you have this area, a nice coffee bar area, and look at these windows, humongous windows. Right here, you wouldn't even need to add curtains on right here just because of the amount of light that can, you can add inside of this property. I absolutely love it. So continue along. Like I said, you do have the sliders, but we'll get to the backyard a little bit later. Let's go ahead and take a look at the beautiful primary bedroom. Wow, look how much space you have inside of here. You have your tray ceilings on top with the recessed lighting. You got your bay windows over here. Look how much space you have in here. Not to mention, look at that beautiful lighting fixture right there. don't know what to say. I mean, goodness gracious. You have your brass candlelight chandelier. You have the king size bed, 2 nightstands, and just look how much walk room you have. Fantastic. Inside of here, you have the wood-like tile that extends from the great room all the way here to the primary. And then even looking in your beautiful primary bathroom. Wow. So you don't have a ton of space. It really wouldn't be feasible to add a soaking tub inside of here. I always love the soaking tub. Me personally, sometimes you're dealing with a rough day. You might want to take a nice long bath, but I know a lot of people that really could care less about a tub. So if that's you, this would be perfect because you do have an oversized super shower with the waterfall shower head right here, built-in shower bench and the shower niche. Absolutely fantastic. But you do have the his and her sink that extends in here with the lighting fixture. Of course, you got your toilet right there to the left. And then inside of here is going to be your primary closet. Now, the one thing I am noticing is that it is a little tighter in here compared to some of the other closets that we have seen. Like I said, if it's something that is the case for you, then this may not be the best plan, but I think it definitely gets the job done without a doubt. And then I'll do another pan of the great room, the kitchen, the stairs. Fantastic. So I absolutely love it. The one thing I do love is that you do have the brass handles. And then right here, this is the first time I believe we've seen the utility room and the mud room attached to the great room. So that's one of those things, but really to each his own. You have your closet area right here. And then of course, this will be your garage. So this is what you're essentially greeted with. It is a 3-car tandem garage. So let's say, for instance, if you drove straight in, you enter your mud room, and then you go straight into the great room. A lot of times, most of the times, it's over there by the kitchen or what have you, but there's a first time for everything. So what we'll do is we'll continue up the stairs. You have the wood on the stairs, you have the iron railings as well. And then of course, this is immediately what you would be greeted with. You have that nice sized game room right here. You have plenty of space inside of here for an L-shaped couch. You have plenty of space in here for a pool table if that's what you want, or maybe a ping pong table. So the possibilities are certainly endless. And then this would be overlooking the great room. If you had all your guests over there, this is a perfect spot to see that. And then right here, you have a full size bathroom. You have your shower tub combo. The wood-like tile extends in here. Look at that nice little window. And that would be your view every time you take a shower. So like I said, right here would be perfect for a nice mirror frame, but I absolutely love it. I mean, for the Agave, like I said, you have the Falcon. The model just opened up here in Artavia. And this is another bedroom right here. You got your LED ceiling fan right here. You definitely have plenty of space. I like that nook area over here. That's a perfect spot to add a desk. I absolutely love that. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, folks. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll get you taken care of. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. And that way you know when I drop a new video every single week. So continue along. You do have this full-size bathroom as well. You got dual sinks inside of here. The wood-like tile extends. Not to mention you have that shower tub combo again. And the one thing I always mention, I love that you can separate the sink from the actual shower. So like I said, when the kiddos are getting ready in the morning, you don't have to worry because one person can shower and another person can get ready or do their hair in the sink. And of course, here's another full-size bedroom. So you definitely have plenty of space inside of here. Like I said, the carpet extends up here. but just depending on your personal preference as far as having carpet or tile, then, you know, we'll definitely get you taken care of. And we're seeing that as well, a little nook area again. And inside of here, like I said, you could fit a queen size bed with 2 nightstands easily without any hesitation whatsoever. The higher ceilings, you have that concept inside of here as well, not to mention. And then the final bedroom will be right here. So you definitely have plenty of space. I really love that nook area that 2 of the bedrooms had inside of here. And then not to mention, you do have the full size closet with that window, bringing in more natural light. So like I said, folks, so this is the Agave plan. There's a lot of other plans that J. Patrick Homes has. And if you notice, inside of these model houses, you see absolute luxury, just from the furniture, the details, the concepts, the upgrades. Like, it's nothing short of excellence. And I got a lot of folks that have reached out about J. Patrick Homes just because of the presentation of the homes. And if that's you, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll get you taken care of. So even right here, I love that you have this wood burning fireplace. Look at this. I mean, right now it's about 50 degrees here in the greater Houston area. So this is a perfect time to turn on that fireplace and just relax, especially on a Saturday or Sunday. Definitely would be a good spot for it. And that, folks, is a lovely J. Patrick Homes. All right, Rankin family. So that was the lovely J. Patrick Homes. Like I mention all the time, folks, so this is the model house from J. Patrick, but they are building in other locations. So if that is the case and you want to take advantage, reach out to the information below. We'll get you taken care of. I mean, this is an absolute stunning community, without a doubt. They've just opened up more model homes, and I'm gonna bring those to you, definitely, without a doubt. And I hope you folks enjoy this. Give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.